Today it's me, and today I am back with my cousin Aiden, which is going to be in more videos. And so if you want to check out his and his friend's account,
my friend doesn't have an account.
Or YouTube channel, whatever.
He doesn't
post any anymore because his camera broke. And his channel is going to be in the description down below. So scroll down after you are done with this video. So today is going to be a slime video.
And I was just
slime.
And plus, I was just doodling around, and then my friend came up and smacked my tablet, and he pressed the button, and it sent it on YouTube. And I don't have a name for the channel. I don't know how it got there.
So guys, and that is the story of Wild Aiden and Wild Kenny. Huh?
Never mind.
Okay, so guys, I have slime right now. Oh god.
It looks like salt in it.
But there's not.
It feels like salt.
Close the door. It's getting cold in here, guys. It is getting really cold in here. And
I feel like somebody's watching us right now.
The camera is.
No, but that's the water outside. What the heck was that? That was
guys, listen.
water.
Guys, listen. What was that?
That was you farting.
No, it wasn't. I'm serious right now. It was the door. When you went like that, it always makes that sound like.
Oh, now it stinks in here.
Because Diesel farted like 2 hours ago in the shower whenever he was taking a bath, and still stinks. So yeah.
I feel like somebody's watching us through that little crack right there.
Then close the door.
I'm not going right there. I'm just gonna be in the background right now.
Guys, this is what sound it makes.
We're making a video.
Yeah. Guys, we are going to go in a new place. So guys, I am back, but my mom told me to go in my room. So
As always.
yeah. And so today I have my slime right here. You guys can see it, right? Can they see it?
Yeah, they can see.
Hey, maybe you can see it a little bit better right here. So guys, I'm going to be making slime.
You already made it.
I know, but I'm making more. So what you guys...
How do you know how to make slime?
Because I do. So what you guys need for it is shampoo and salt and a little bit of water. And a little bit of water. And then you mix it all together after you put all of them in a cup or something to make slime.
Is that actually how you make it?
Yes. And then you put it Then you put it in the freezer, which I already put it in the freezer. And so, oh my god, guys. So I'll be right back with it. Well, guys, my cousin is going to be getting it. I'm just going to show you a little of the action. Guys, the secret ingredient to this being crunchy is salt. Guys, I will be right back. So guys, I got it, and this is what it turned out to be.
Kind of icy.
It's supposed to be like that, but then you're supposed to add borax and water, but I am not going to do that. Where's borax? I don't have any. It does smell really good.
Let me smell. It smells like deodorant. Did you make soap with it? It's actually squishy. Do you think you could, like, here, let me see. I think I can get it out.
No.
What if we got it out and it wasn't slime? This is actually how you
I
make
saw
the slime.
a video on YouTube of this is how you make slime. So,
Are you really?
if it doesn't work, guys, that's not how you make slime. That's how you make conditioner for slime. You put your slime you put your slime
what?
in
That's not how you make slime.
And you put your slime on top of it, and then it fizzes.
How? Why is it fizzing?
Because it's about to overflow.
Ugh. Now it's all wet. Let me feel. Ugh. Why is it like that?
And it gets all squishy.
Now take it out.
Then you take it out. And when you take it out, probably need parents' help. Because right now I can hardly even get this out. Okay, got it. So that's what it looks like whenever it fizzes. And then this is what the slime looks like. Aiden, get your hand out the way.
Sorry.
And it will be very, very slimy and wet. Stop touching it. You're going to ruin it.
It smells good.
And it fizzes and it's really squishy right now. But, you know, guys, it gets all watery. But then that doesn't ruin your slime, you know. Guys, slime feels really, really, really gross. And
ugh.
it like, slips right out your hands. So, guys, right now you could take your slime to, like, clean things with this or something. And then after that, the thing is, it gets really, really squishy and stretchy, guys. Right now, I'm not kidding. Right now, I'm pulling out straight. See, did you see that? Mm-hmm. I'm talking to the viewers, not Aiden. So, guys, and then after that, it gets a little bit drier and a little bit drier. And a little bit drier and a little bit drier. Dun, 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 dun.
Do you want to watch it after this?
And then do you want to squeeze it together, like so it doesn't fall? But if you make slime like I did, it feels really weird and it feels good too, like relaxing in your hands. I would not recommend fake nails for this. Well, guys, yeah, so it's now put together and it rips really easily, so if you get mad you could be like,
salt went everywhere.
Salt?
What is that stuff in it?
Salt.
Oh my god, salt just went everywhere. Oh no, you better not touch me with that.
I did. So guys, he hates salt, but like I love it. It's like so squishy.
Ah, stop! This is brand new. This is brand new.
He gets mad over everything.
Stop!
But your pants aren't.
After this, do you want to watch a video on how to make slime with easy steps?
Guys, we are going to watch a slime video, then we will
make it.
Yeah. We'll try to make it.
See if it works.
So, bye guys. See you next time. I hope we get the slime recipe.